Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a printer via USB. First, make sure your printer is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. Next, find the correct USB cable. This is usually a standard Type A to Type B cable, with a flat end for your computer and a square end for the printer. Position your printer thoughtfully, ensuring it is close enough to reach your computer comfortably. With your printer in place, take the square or Type B end of your USB cable and gently plug it into the corresponding port on the back of your printer. Then, take the flat, Type A end and firmly insert it into an open USB port on your computer. Listen for a subtle click or feel a slight resistance, confirming the cable is properly seated on both ends. Now, power on your printer, then boot up your computer. Your operating system might automatically detect the new hardware and attempt to install generic drivers. However, for full functionality, always install the specific drivers. You can find these on the installation disk that came with your printer or by downloading them directly from the printer manufacturer's official website. To confirm everything is working, open your computer's printers and scanners settings, usually found in the control panel or system preferences. Look for your printer listed there, ensuring its status shows as ready. Finally, select your printer and choose the option to print a test page. This will verify that your computer and printer are communicating correctly and producing output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.